Hello guys, welcome to our new video. So finally Wondershare Filmora released new version Filmora 10. In this video I'm going to tell you about new update and features of Filmora 10. And also tell you Filmora 10 pops and corn. So let's start the video. Before you start, please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon for latest update and tutorial. So the first major update is custom keyframing. Using keyframe in your video editors, you can animate things like video clips, scale, motion, opacity, rotation, crop, anything. You can edit video like this. Another major update is motion tracking. In the world of video editing, motion tracking is a process of tracking the movements of an object within a scene. Once the movement trajectory has been tracked, it can be applied to any other object that initially was not in a video. A place of text, an image, an icon, a mask, caption, and practically any clip art. Audio tracking is a great tool for video editors that can elevate the quality of your video quickly and effectively. It's a way to increase the volume of one audio track at the same time that another decreases.
Alright everybody, I am about to get the most ridiculous dessert. Just hang on.
Use the color match panel to make subtle color correction in your shot. You can also quickly match color between different shots to make the overall look of your video consistent. Good video editing is all about managing your time, and that begins with keyboard shortcuts. You can edit faster using hotkey commands. In this update, Filmora add dark and light mode feature. This is really very cool. In this update, Filmora add many text and title styles, and also many elements you can easily use in a video. Let's dig into FilmoraX pops and corn. Pops are keyframing, motion tracking, audio tracking, color match, keyboard shortcuts, dark and light mode, new text, title elements. And the corn are custom masking, 360 video edit, custom motion blur. Now the system requirement. Supported OS Windows 7, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, 64-bit OS only. CPU Intel i5 or better, 2 GHz plus Intel 6th generation or newer recommended. RAM 4GB RAM, 8GB required for HD and 4K videos. GPU Intel HD graphic 5000 or later, Nvidia GeForce GTX 700 or later, AMD Radeon R5 or later. Disks 10GB free hard disk space, SSD recommended. It's all about of Filmora 10. You can free download from here or buy this. Link on the description below. For more cool tutorial, please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more update.